Hi everyone, it's Irina and today we're making yogurt in our Cook Expert. It's really super easy and it is delicious, so let's give it a go. All right, so it's very simple. First of all, I'm going to put 1.5 litres of full fat cream milk into our bowl. Now it's straight out of the fridge, so that's perfectly okay. There you go. Now, it's really important that you buy good quality milk. It doesn't matter which one it is, but look at the instructions or the content at the back rather, and make sure that it has a really good high content of fat in it. So that's your first thing. And then I'm going to put a cup of milk powder. Now that's full cream milk powder, and I'm just going to pop it straight into there like that. Now again, it doesn't matter what brand you're using, so long as it's full cream milk. So you've got here, I've got instant milk powder. That's what we want to use. And then we've got our yogurt. So a good quality yogurt. I like to use a yogurt that is organic, and in this case it's Greek yogurt. So I'm going to pop that in there. Now it's really important to get a good quality yogurt because a good quality yogurt will have the right probiotics, and that's why we eat yogurt, because it's really good for our gut. So, there we go. Now the other tip I have for you is that if you go shopping for your dairy products at the end of the day around 4 or 5 o'clock, you'll find that they sell all the dairy products off at a fraction of the price. So, you know, it's something to just be mindful. Okay, so really that's all there is to it. Now we're going to give it a mix. So I'm going to turn my food processor of my Expert on, and to Expert, okay, I'm going to turn it just on to 5 minutes. There, it's on 5 minutes there, it doesn't matter. Just to about 10, to give that a really good mix. So it needs to have a good mix just for a few minutes. So on automatic. And that's just so it mixes the yogurt and the milk powder completely into the milk. So and that's all you need to do. It's really very simple. So then we set a time on it. So now I'm going to put it on to 4 hours. Okay, so just clicking it through, I'm holding the button in so it actually goes through to the 4 hours. Now 4 hours is the maximum that the Cook Expert actually will cook for in a lock time. So what happened there? 4 hours. And then we're going to put it on 0 revolutions. So that's there. So we don't want it to actually turn. We just want it to heat. And so then we go across to 35. Okay, 35. So 35 degrees. So now I'm going to just turn it on. I won't turn it on, but yeah, well, there it goes. It just starts to heat. Okay, and you leave it on for the 4 hours. Now, the beauty of the Magimix is that, or the Cook Expert, is that the bowl, first of all, is insulated. So it's double thickness and it's insulated. So it really keeps that yogurt really nice and warm over a long period of time. The second thing is the induction heating. The induction heating allows it to be very precise. It's precise cooking. So whatever temperature you set on, it is going to be exactly that. And that is really important with things like yogurt and other things that you may want to cook that need to be precise for your temperature. So that's the other thing. So when you've got 35, that's what you're going to get. So it's going to start that process. So now you just turn it on and you leave it for 4 hours and then leave it until it is completed. So what I normally do is I go out to do my shopping in the afternoon. I buy all my dairy products at a fraction of the price to save money, and then I make my yogurt. I turn it on 4 hours, before I go to bed, I'll just top it up with another 4 hours. I go to bed, get up in the morning, and I have beautiful, beautiful yogurt. And I'm going to show you. This is yogurt that I made just now, actually. And I'll show you how thick. Look at that. Thick and beautiful. Really delicious. It's really creamy and delicious, delicious yogurt. Now, once it goes into the fridge, it actually sets even more. So it's really worth making your own yogurt because it's very good for you, but it certainly saves you a lot of money, and you can really do what you like with it as well. You can flavour it if you like. If you want to put vanilla in it or put some fruit in it, that's when you do it. If you want to put it into smaller containers afterwards, then that's good too. So I encourage you to make your own yogurt. It's really worthwhile and it saves you those dollars. Okay, see ya.